Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix overheating in Moto G75. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on battery. After clicking on battery, then scroll down and click on optimized charging. Now click on it. If you turn this button off, then turn it on. After turning this button on, then go back and then swipe up and click on adaptive battery. Then turn this button on, then go back and click on battery saver. Now turn on your battery saver. After turning on your battery saver, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.